Yes, we are starting the production today. Safety is of the utmost importance, so we are starting slowly. We have all the safety measures in place, so distance, masks, the gel to clean your hands, and also all the tools have to be cleaned after usage. So this is what we're doing today, and for the next week we will ramp up a bit more. The last 6 weeks were very busy for us because we worked from home office, via Skype conferences. Due to the cancellation of the Geneva Motor Show, we also had to do an online presentation for our latest car, the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport, which is a handling-oriented car, lighter with more downforce. And I think that as soon as we have the opportunity to show it live, it will be a success story. This is too early now to discuss. We are working on different scenarios. We will see what is going to happen. And now it's a good sign that we started production, that our suppliers opened again, so that we have enough to produce our cars. In the months of May, peu à peu, the dealers, our partners, are going to open up again. So I hope that by June, July, we will have a better forecast for the year and for the future of this type of business.
Today is the first day of restart of the production of Bugatti Automobile here in our atelier in Molsheim. And we have used the shutdown time to prepare this restart. And the major activities we put in place are for sure the distanciation between the people, but also the wearing of the mask, which is an obligation in every building of Bugatti Automobile. Today I don't wear it because we are making the interview, but I'm taking care that there is nobody around. And the other thing is the disinfection support which we have on every tools to clean it after every usage. And we also work with a reduced team now. We have about 70% of the employees directly working on the car, but all the employees from the offices are still in home office. We use the last weeks of the shutdown to prepare this restart, to make on place all this protocol of safety for every employees, and also to have an overview about all suppliers, because we are working with a lot of suppliers all around Europe, and we need the parts to restart the factory. Without our partners, it doesn't working. And that's the reason why we decided to restart today, because in Italy and in Germany, all suppliers are reworking and we have a safety prefer to restart our activities.